Let me move on to the next sum. Next sum. 68,200,324. Here 68 million. Okay. So in the million place, here you have 68. 10 million, million. 68. Next one, 200,000. So 200, 2 in the 100 place. 200,000. Next, 324. So 324. Is it clear? Shall we move on to the next sum? Yeah. See sum. 509,776,213. What is this? 509. How would you write 509? 509. This is 509 million. Million over. Next, 776. How would you write? 776,000. So we finished our 1000 here. Next, 230. So you put 230. Let me put the comma here. 1, 2, 3. Put comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. Here 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. Here 1, 2, 3. Okay. Here we finished our numeral. How to 14. Write the following numbers in the international system and write their number name. Here they given some number. You have to write this in the international system and also you want to write its number name. First of all, you have to write the number. What number here given as the question? You have to write the number, same number here. After that, you have to divide the given number according to the periods of international system. Okay. International system means ones, thousands, million. Each period have 3 places. Okay. So you put comma after 3 digit. 1, 2, 3. Put comma. This is ones place. Next 1, 2, 3. Put comma. This is thousand place. This is million place. Okay. In million place, how many? What is the number here? 87. So 87 million. You have to write like this. 87 million. Is it clear? Next, look at the thousand place. What is here? 3 numbers you have here. So 426,000. Next problem, example 15. Write 69 crore 4,41,627 in the international system. What they ask? They here look at this crore, lakh. When you have the word form with crore, lakh, thousand like this. If there is crore, lakh, it is the Indian system. If there is million or billion, then it is the international system, place value system. Here the word form is in Indian system because there is crore, lakhs. So you differentiate like this. When you have the crore, lakhs in the word form, then you have the Indian system. If there is no crore, lakh, instead of that you have a million or a trillion, billion. Like this, if anyone you have, it is the international system. Here the word form is Indian system. You should convert this word form into international system. Solution. First, the numeral in Indian system. First of all, you have to find the numeral for the Indian system. Numeral means you have to find the number. First of all, you put the periods. Ones, thousands, lakh, crore. Okay. So you have to put like ones, thousands, lakh, crore. Okay. You have find this. Here what is the given? 69 crore. So put 69 here. Next 4 lakhs. in 1000 period. Next 627. So 627. Okay. Next numeral in international system. First of all, you have to write the numeral here. Without putting any commas, you have to write the numeral here. After that, you have to separate the given number according to the period of international place value system. In international place value system, each period is divided into 3 places. Here, ones, tens, 100. Put comma here. This is ones period. Okay. Next, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. So put comma here. What is this the period? This is thousands period. Next, million, 10 million, 100 million. So you have to put M here because it is in the million period. After that, you have to write the numbers name. Here look at this 690 in million period, isn't it? So you have to write 690. Okay, next what is here? 441 in thousands period. So you have to write 441,000. Here 690 million place. So you have to write million here. Here 441 in thousand place. You have to write thousand here. At last 627. So you have to write 627. Like this we have to write. Convert our Indian system number into international system. Okay students, page number 23, self practice 2C, second problem. Write the following in numeral form in the international system. Is homework for you. Do your homework in your homework note, and thank you.